In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Meta AI. Meta AI doesn't have a single universal language switch across all apps yet. Instead, it usually follows the language you've set on your phone or inside Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or your web browser. To keep things simple and reliable, I'll show you two easy ways to change it, through Facebook and through your browser if you're using the Meta AI website on a computer. First, let's cover Facebook. If you use Meta AI inside Facebook, changing Facebook's language will usually change the language Meta AI uses there as well. Open Facebook and tap the menu button. Depending on your device, this might look like three horizontal lines or your profile icon. Scroll to find Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. In Settings, look for Language and Region. Open that, choose your preferred language from the list, and save the changes. Give Facebook a moment to update. Some text may refresh automatically. After that, open or refresh your Meta AI chat in Facebook. You should see responses appearing in the language you selected. Keep in mind, this change also affects how menus and other parts of Facebook appear, so choose a language you're comfortable navigating. If you don't see the change right away, close and reopen the app or refresh your browser tab if you're on desktop. Now, if you use Meta AI on a computer browser, many users report that the website follows your browser's language. Here's how to update it in Google Chrome. Open Chrome and in the address bar, go to Chrome/settings/languages. On the languages page, add your preferred language if it isn't already listed. Once added, move it to the top of the list so it becomes your primary display language. This priority order matters because Chrome uses the top language as the default for websites that support it. After adjusting the order, restart Chrome completely to apply the change. Then, reopen the Meta AI website. In most cases, it will now display and respond in your chosen language. If it still looks the same, try opening a new tab or refreshing the page. Remember, changing Chrome's language can also affect menus, spell check, and how other sites appear. That's it. Until Meta AI offers a dedicated language button across all apps, the most dependable approach is to change the language in the app or browser you're using. Adjust Facebook if you chat with Meta AI there, or set your browser language if you access the Meta AI website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you use Meta AI in the language that suits you best.